Hi, this is Matt with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we'll be showing you how to repair your appliance. Remember, anytime you work on an appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we're going to show you how to change out the Whirlpool Dishwasher control panel. It's going to be a very easy repair and should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can click on the link below or get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. When you open up the package, you're going to get the new control panel. The control panel has a touchpad on it. Main reason you'll be changing it out is if it's damaged or the touchpad has failed and it's not responding to your inputs. In order to get to the part, we have to open up the dishwasher door, but we're only going to open it up far enough so we can use the Torx 15 driver to take out the screws that hold the control panel on. As you're taking the last screw out, you want to make sure you hold on to the control panel. Once you have the screws out, you can close the door a little bit and then pull the control panel down. Once you have it all the way free, we're going to set it on the top of the door panel and hold it. Then we have to take this cover off. There's 4 arrows where the locking tabs are. We're going to use a small flathead screwdriver to help release the locking tabs. Once you have the tab released, we're going to pull up on the cover so the tab doesn't relock. Then we can go release the other ones. Once you have the tabs released, you can lift the cover off and set it aside. Now that we have the cover off, we can take the latch off the control panel. There's a locking tab on each side. You can use a small flathead screwdriver to reach down and lift up on it to unlock it. Once you have both sides released, we can lift the latch assembly off, and we're just going to set it down on the control panel until we're ready to remove it. To get the control board off, we're going to use a small flathead screwdriver to press on the 2 locking tabs that hold this end of the control board in. When you're pressing on them, you can lift up on the board so it doesn't lock back into place. Once you have them both released, we're going to lift up on it and carefully remove the ribbon cable. Just have to grab it and pull it off the board. Once you have the ribbon cable off, we can carefully take off the control panel. We just have to lift it off the lip right here where we're resting it. And we're going to carefully lift the latch and the electronic control board out. Just set it against the door so it doesn't damage anything. Once you have everything free, you can pull the control panel off the dishwasher. Here's the old control panel next to the new one. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. To put the new control panel in, we're just going to lift up the latch and the control board and set them on the control panel for right now. And then we want to set the control panel on the top of the door. First, we're going to pick up the electronic control board and set it into place. You have the 2 legs at the end of the control board that have to go into the control panel on this end. Once you have that end in, we're going to grab the ribbon cable and carefully plug it into the control board. All you have to do is slide it down so it goes in. Once you have it connected, you can lower this end down and snap in the 2 locking tabs. Once you have it in place, you can put the latch assembly in place. All you have to do is lift it up and get the handle down into position. And then you want to line up these 2 studs on these holes right here. And you can push it down and snap it into place. Once you have the latch assembly snapped in, you can put the cover back on. All you have to do is set it into place and line up the locking tabs and snap it in. Once you have it snapped in place, we can lift the control panel up and then open up the door a little bit. Once you have the door open a little bit, you can push the control panel the rest of the way on. And then we can use the Torx 15 driver to put the screws in. Once you have all the screws in, you can close the dishwasher door, plug it back in, and take it for a spin. Thanks for joining us for another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. Check out our other repair videos on our site, Facebook, and YouTube.